Yo, what's up guys? Dino is here. I just landed, flew from Las Vegas to San Diego, and behind it's our house, and check out the view we have. This is amazing, guys. Where's the sun? Oh, sun is down there. Yeah, sun is right here, and it's amazing. People are on the beach, skating, bicycling, you know, with rollerblades and everything. It's awesome. The sun is coming down. It's getting a little bit chill, you know. You can feel the breeze. See the waves. Can you see the waves? They're loud and they're big. You guys should take the surf lessons, huh? What do you think? I can't believe it how sun goes fast down. I just got here and the sun was up, but you can actually just see when sun is gonna disappear. Check it out. You see? And it's really awesome. Awesome. Look, just a little, you can't imagine how Earth goes fast. Just a little, and there's a lot of beautiful girls. And there it is, it's gone. So tomorrow is the TwitchCon. I'm gonna go head out with Big D Hercules, one of my supporters. This is Dave. He paid me tickets and bought me a place. Yo, Dave, what's up?
Hey, Dino!
Yo, guys, this is my friend Dave, and he invited me to here to TwitchCon. Because of him, I'm here, and of course, all of you guys. So,
Told you I'd show up.
how are you?
I'm great.
Did you see how sun goes fast down?
Amazing.
I was like speaking with my friends, and I just noticed there's no sun.
Gorgeous.
I'm just showing them our little beach, you know, and it's amazing. This is San Diego, guys. So stay tuned for more. What's happening? I am cruising to San Diego with in front of shop of lingerie. As you can see, I'm with the Big D Hercules. Big D Hercules, that's a guy who's always, you know, making jokes on my stream. So actually, I called him. He picked me up. We parked the car, and now we're cruising to San Diego, enjoying the breeze, enjoying the time. What you gonna say for my friends?
What's up, people?
This is Big D Hercules.
What's up,
You know?
YouTube?
So, did you watch my videos?
Yeah.
All of them? No.
Well, except for the ones that were.
Now you're gonna be on one of them. You know, this is a San Diego story. This is a San Diego story. So we're trying to find some place to eat. Nothing. I don't know. Something good. You know, something. What do you eat?
We're gonna go Five Guys.
We're gonna go Five Guys. I know the Five Guys, but you know, we gotta eat something, man. Maybe burrito. This burrito heavier than Five Guys.
Hamburgers.
I know hamburgers. What about burritos? Are they better or worse? I don't know. We're gonna eat something. Of course, we're gonna go.
I forgot to get the camera mount for the bike.
So I'm here. This pub is called
Bubs.
Bubs. We're at Bubs. We got some
Hot wings.
hot wings. You see the hot wings? They're really hot. They're nice. By the way, they call the wings their legs. They're not wings.
That might be.
know?
That wing, right?
Maybe. That's a wing, yeah. And then we got some sandwiches, which are, what are they?
They're Archie sandwiches, chicken breast, mushrooms,
With, what is it?
cheese, potato tots.
Potato.
Yeah. Potato tots.
Fried potato, guys. It's good. Tastes good, guys. But it's not, you know, for every night to eat because you get fat.
Actually, that's chicken breast.
But
You order chicken breast.
But we're gonna go find some girls, you know. So we're gonna lose the calories. You know, our calories are gonna pass, you know, in another person. So we're back on the track. Now we're heading on a San Diego beach, huh? And cruising with the bikers. See, the Big D is always standing.
2 strokes, you can go 2 blocks.
He never sits. So now we ate awesome dinner, which was really awesome. And now we're gonna lose some calories, you know, so we can sleep well.
We're gonna go like 2 miles.
We're gonna go 2 miles. And on the right side there is a sea Pacific, which you can hear it, I believe. Can you hear it? And there's a nice breeze, which feels nice. You know, it would be better if I would have some hot chick here against this guy. You know, you know, not this guy here. You know, some hot chicks with big boobies.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's weekend.
There's some nice girls here, guys. There's a lot of nice girls. We're eating and watching them. I'm like, holy shit.
Wait till tomorrow during the day.
Oh yeah, tomorrow. Tomorrow. I can't wait for the time. So I believe this is it for today. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm heading to a TwitchCon. And this is why I'm here.